All right. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for connecting. And as I've requested you, let us remind our friends to connect because we are going to be getting started right now. Yeah, those who are connecting in for the first time, my name is Eddie Mzora, and I'm going to be the one taking you through our today's training about our products. Because why we are talking about our products, these products are the tools for trade in our business. And again, one of the common goals is for us to have better health. We believe that yes, you can have all the money, but if your health is not good, then you'll not enjoy your money. So I want to welcome you to our special product training. So I will be starting right away. This is how our body is. Our body consists of 5 parts. The smallest part of the body is called the cell. So the cell is the smallest part of the body, and a group of cells, they form tissues. A group of tissues, they form organs, and a group of organs, they form systems, and a group of systems, they form a body. So when we are newly born from our mother's womb, this is how the smallest part of the body, which is the cell, looks like. But as we grow up, the cell is affected by what we call free radicals. It changes from this to this. And as you can see, it is being affected by free radicals. So, where do we get free radicals? The sources of free radicals, they are inevitable, like we cannot avoid them. For example, we have ionizing radiations. If you see down there, ionizing radiations, these ones we get them from AC. You know, some of you have ACs in cars, in our offices. You know, that is one of the source of ionizing radiations. Even within our body, during metabolism, air pollution, it produces a lot of free radicals. You know, UV rays, ultraviolet rays, they produce a lot of free radicals. Also smoking, even inflammation within the body. So as you can see, these free radicals, we cannot avoid them, and these are the most sources of free radicals. For example, processed food, everything that we eat that is processed, including the soft drinks, sugar, anything that we take from the supermarkets that are edible. Most of those things, they are what? They are processed. Then we have stress, we have air pollution, we have water pollution, we have chemical pollution, unhealthy lifestyle, medicinal side effects. All these, they are sources of free radicals. So these free radicals, you know what they do? I'm going to show you what they do, but they are the reason as to why we get sick. The destructive effects of free radicals that cause oxidative stress. You see how the normal cell is? The normal cell at the extreme left, the cell is okay. But when you see in the middle, free radicals, they start affecting the cell, and after the free radicals have started affecting or attacking the cells, the cells change. And when you see at the extreme end, the cell now is badly affected by the oxidative stress. So when you see down there, you see a healthy state, a sick cell, and the result is the disease. So when we talk about non-communicable diseases, the non-communicable diseases, this is the way they are formed into our bodies. So as you can see, the free radicals, they affect the healthy cells. After weakening the healthy cells, then we end up getting the what? We end up getting the non-communicable diseases. When I talk about non-communicable diseases, these are the diseases that we don't get from other people. For example, if you have BP, you don't get BP from someone. When you have diabetes, you don't get diabetes from another person. So, if you have arthritis, you don't contract arthritis from another person. So when I go deeper, this is what happens. So these free radicals, they affect the cells. Tissues are a group of what? They are a group of cells. So the tissues are also affected. And at the end of the day, the organs are also affected. We normally go to the hospital at the organ level. At the organ level, that's when our heart has got a problem, our brain has got a problem, our lungs have got a problem, our pancreas has got a problem, our liver has got a problem. We go to the hospital at the organ level, and that means we are already 50%, dead. And then from there, systems. For example, we have circulatory system. So if you don't work on, for example, if the veins are affected and you don't work on the veins, before you know it, you are going to find arteries are affected. You are going to find the parts of the heart is affected. And before you know it, the whole system will be affected. And when you don't receive the right treatment at the system level, then you end up dying. So you can see how the free radicals, how they affect badly our body. And this is what happens if I demonstrate to you what happens. So these free radicals, they fight against our body immunity. Just as I've showed you, they fight against the cell. They weaken the cell. And after compromising our body immunity, we get these diseases. This is lung cancer. Lung cancer, which is brought by smoking, which is brought by air pollution, which is brought by many other things. You might be and you are saying, I'm not a smoker. But if you know how a cigarette smells, then you are a passive smoker. This is breast cancer. I'm sure none of us would want our wives, if you are a man, or if you are here and you are a lady, you would not want your breast to be like this. This is what free radicals do. They cause heart attack. They cause stroke. And in most cases, your first heart attack is your last heart attack. And even stroke, a small percentage survive the effects of stroke. This is once again breast cancer. This is diabetes. Some of us, we have our friends who are diabetic. This is throat cancer, which is also brought by smoking, which is brought by, some of the weird habits that we've developed where we are using the mouth in areas to do things that it's not supposed to do. Then obesity, these ladies are not rich. This is as a result of free radicals and mainly from processed food. Heart attack, as I've already told you, your first heart attack is always your last heart attack. Then we have lung cancer, also brought by smoking. But we can do prevention. But before I tell you about prevention, why you need to take your health serious. Why you need to take this session serious? Because every 3 women, one of them has a chance of being diagnosed with cancer or BP or diabetes or arthritis or any other non-communicable disease. If you see 2 men, one of them has a chance of being diagnosed with either cancer or diabetes or BP or any of those diseases. But we can do prevention because prevention is better and cheaper than cure. So how can we do prevention? We need what we call antioxidants in our body. We need we need a lot of antioxidants in our body. So in other words, the solution to free radicals is to have a lot of antioxidants in the body. So antioxidants are the substances or nutrients in our food which can prevent or slow the oxidative damage to our body. Phytonutrients act as antioxidants which help to form the body's defense against free radical damage to cells. Antioxidants act as free radical scavengers, and they prevent and repair damage done by the free radicals. So I'm trying to say, if you want to protect yourself from cancer, if you want to protect yourself from diabetes, what do you want in your body? You need to have a lot of antioxidants. You see what the antioxidants do? They remove the what? They remove the free radical from the what? From the cell or from the body, and you end up having the healthy cell. So I will explain this deeper. So if you see here, you are seeing the antioxidants. The antioxidants, they are fighting. If you are taking, fruits, vegetables, you're going to be stronger, just as you see this man at the extreme left. And they are going now. You saw that the free radicals, they were fighting against the body immunity. But this time, if you take fruits, you take vegetables, as I'm going also to be sharing with you, you boost your immunity. You'll be able to have a lot of antioxidants in your body, and they will be able to overcome and neutralize the free radicals, and you're going to end up having the healthy body. Now, this is what I mean here. As you can see, the antioxidants are doing their job here. The antioxidants, they are entering the cell, and they are removing the what? And they are removing they are removing the free radicals. If you check, this is the antioxidant here. This antioxidant is neutralizing the free radical. And if you can see, this is the cell, so inside there, that is the nucleus. So these antioxidants, they get into the cell, they remove all the free radicals. So now that we've seen the antioxidants, where can we get antioxidants? Number one, our body produces antioxidants. The body forms antioxidants, and these antioxidants, they neutralize the free radicals, and the children produce millions of antioxidants every day. Bad news is, however, the production of antioxidants declines with the age. At 30 years and above, our body will not produce enough antioxidants anymore. So, what does that one tell you? It tells you that we need to make sure we outsource the antioxidants if you are 30 years and above. Then another question can come to say, so you mean a child cannot get a non-communicable disease? The children can also get non-communicable diseases, especially if they are fed on food that contain a lot of free radicals as they are growing. And another way how we can get free radicals, rather another way how we can eliminate free radicals, or how we can get antioxidants, is to take a balanced diet. And according to World Health Organization, it says for you to have enough antioxidants in your body, you need to take 5 servings of fruits and 5 servings of vegetables on a daily basis within your body. And if you cannot manage to take these 5 servings of fruits and 5 servings of vegetables, then you can use high quality nutritional supplements. So this evening, I'm going to be teaching you about high quality nutritional supplements. You make sure that with effect from today, every day, if you go to the market, whenever you go for shopping, make sure the fruits are part of your budget. Make sure that vegetables are part of every meal that you take. And now, our high quality nutritional supplements are produced by these 3 companies. The first one is called Nature's Way. Nature's Way is a pioneer in herbal medicines, and it is based in USA. It has been in business since 1969. We have DSM. This is a billion euro company which is also based in Germany, France, Netherlands, and Switzerland. Then we have Wider. This is a global fitness company based in USA, 70 years expertise in slimming products. Its products are sold in over 120 countries. But our main partner is Nature's Way. You see, this Nature's Way, as I've told you, it has been in business for over 50 years. It is debt-free, and also this Nature's Way, it has 200 plus medical doctors, herbal scientists who are doing extensive research and development together to come up with these high quality nutritional supplements. And as you see, our products are also certified by Halal, and even in USA and all the organizations that certify the quality food or the food that should be used by a human being. And our first product is called C24/7. C24/7 meaning complete nutrition, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Now, this C24/7, it is a miracle, or it is a miraculous product. The word as I've already told you, C24/7, it means complete nutrition, 24 hours, 7 days a week. This C24/7, it has more than 22,000 phytonutrients. If you are following, I want you to go to the chat section and write the word and write the digit 22,000 phyto. In fact, write 22,000. Just as I emphasized that point, to say that it has 22,000 phytonutrients in this product. This is a very powerful, a very wonderful product. And now I want to take you back to this slide here, where we are talking about antioxidants. We said that phytonutrients, they act as antioxidants to help the body's defense against free radicals. So, but this C24/7, it has more than 22,000 phytonutrients. All these are antioxidants. That's what I'm trying to explain here. This C24/7, on top of that, it has 29 vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals. All the vitamins that we need in our body, they are in this product. All the minerals and trace minerals, they are in this product. Within this product, there are 18 amino acids. They are super green foods. They are 12 whole fruit juice blend. Remember, World Health Organization was telling us that we should take 12 fruits and 12 vegetables. But here we have 12 of them. World Health Organization was recommending 5 fruits and 5 vegetables. Here we have 12 fruits and 12 vegetables. It is not only that, but we are saying 12 whole fruit juice blend, 12 whole vegetable juice blend. It means if you are going to take the whole fruit juice blend, if you are taking like papaya, you take it with peelings plus the seedlings. Sometimes if you are taking papaya, you throw away the peelings, you throw away the seeds, and you take the fresh. In the same product, we have mushrooms, 12 mushrooms. We have digestive enzymes, we have herbs and specialty nutrients, we have essential fatty acids, we have, anti-aging and antioxidant enhancers. If you want to keep looking younger, if you want to keep looking stronger, if you are a man, this is the best product you can use. If you want to keep looking sexy and stronger, if you are a lady, this is one of the best products you need to use. Longevity polyphenols and mega resveratrol blend. All these are in this product. Now, C24/7, it has a sister product which is called Complete Fight Energizer. Now, C24/7 and Complete, these are sister products. The only difference is C24/7 has anti-aging and antioxidant enhancers, and Complete, it doesn't have the anti-aging and antioxidant enhancers, and also long-lived polyphenols. Complete doesn't have that. And also, another difference is that C24/7 has more than 22,000 phytonutrients, but Complete has more than 16,000 phytonutrients. That is the only difference. But the two products, the rest of the ingredients are the same. Now, all these ingredients I've talked about, they are blended, they are put together, into one capsule. All those ingredients I was talking about, the 12 fruits, the 12 vegetables, the digestive enzymes, the specialty nutrients, the amino acids, the vitamins, all of them, they are blended and put together into this product. Now, because all these ingredients are put together into one capsule, this C24/7, it has this C24/7 and Complete Fight Energizer. They are good for prevention and reversing of over 100 diseases. I don't know which disease is disturbing you, but if you know there is a disease disturbing you, there is a disease disturbing your friend, there is a disease disturbing, your loved one, go to the chat section. You can, if you are free to do that, you can type it there. But as you can see, these products are good for diabetes, insulin dependent, where you are injecting yourself with insulin every day. These two products are good for hypertension, that is BP. In fact, they're also good for low pressure, high pressure, and low pressure. They're also good for cancer and tumor formation. Cancer is the result of tumor formation. So it can even, destroy all the tumors. It is good, for stroke. So if you are taking these products, you'll not get all these diseases. And if you already have these diseases, again, this product will be able to help you to heal from these diseases like asthma, ulcers, the the swelling of the intestines, epilepsy, goiter, halitosis, osteoporosis, patients with the debilitating diseases, gallstones, all these gout. So if you have anyone with all these diseases, these products are very good for prevention of all these diseases. And on top of that, we have another wonderful product. It is called Complete Fight, rather it is called Live Alkaline Coffee. Now, this Live Alkaline Coffee, within it has all the ingredients in Complete Fight Energizer. And on top of that, it is made of Arabic coffee beans. Now, our coffee is in different, flavors. We have cappuccino. Personally, I like cappuccino. We have original. We have latte. Now, what does this Live Coffee does? Number one, coffee itself, coffee itself is an antioxidant, or it has antioxidants called quinines. And this coffee, you can see, it reduces the risk of getting diabetes by 50%. It reduces the risk of getting, coronary cancer, large intestines cancer, or the cancer of the large intestines by 25%. It reduces the risk of Parkinson's disease by 80%. By 80%. It reduces the risk of liver cirrhosis by 80%. It reduces the risk of gallstones by 50%. This Live Coffee, it helps to manage asthma. If you are here and you have asthma, this is one of the products that is going to assist you. This product, it helps you, to manage headache. It boosts the mood. If you are here and you are a married person, this coffee is going to make sure that your bedroom activities are done very well. Again, this product, it prevents cavities. It offsets the damage caused by smoking. And again, this product, Live Alkaline Coffee, it decreases the risk of heart disease. On top of that, it balances the body pH. Did you know that we get cancer because of accumulation of, acids in our body? our body need to be alkaline. So this Live alkaline coffee, it balances the body pH. Because of that, it helps to prevent cancer of any origin. It prevents degenerative disease like arthritis. It lowers cholesterol level. It controls high blood pressure. It lowers the risk of heart failure. It reduces stress. It also reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, and it's good for sexual vitality. So as I've already told you, if you have issues within your bedroom, if you're a married person, this is the best product. And we have another Liven coffee, which is called the sugar free. This is the third flavor, the sugar free. And this sugar free, it doesn't mean that it is not sweet. No, it is sweet because it has stevia in it. And this stevia, it is all natural herbal sweetener. It is 300 times the sweetness of sugar. And this sweet stevia has been generally recognized as safe to be used by US FDA since 2008, and that is a big body in USA that certifies the foods that should be used by human beings. It helps to normalize blood pressure. It helps to normalize blood pressure. It helps to normalize blood sugar. It has antibacterial properties. It aids in calcium absorption, and it has antioxidant properties. Then we also have another product which is called My Choco. Remember, I told you that these coffees, regardless of the flavor, whether it is original, whether it is latte, whether it is cappuccino, whether it is sugar-free, all of them, they have complete phytoenergizer in it. Also, this My Choco here, it has complete phytoenergizer in it. This My Choco, it is fortified with the DHA. DHA is a memory booster. And they're asking a very big question right there to say, how do you get, children, to eat fruits and vegetables? If you give children like lemons, they might not take them. But if you give them this chocolate drink, they're going to be enjoying the chocolate drink, but they will be enjoying all the ingredients in complete phytoenergizer, the 12 fruits, the 12 vegetables, the amino acids, all of them, they are in this product. The mushrooms, the green foods, all of them, they are in this product because it contains complete in it. And what does My Choco do? Number one, you see, the main ingredient of My Choco is cocoa powder, which is an antioxidant. And we've learned about an antioxidant. We've seen that the solution to all the diseases, the non-communicable diseases, is for us to have antioxidants in our body. And you can see the main ingredient of My Choco, which is cocoa powder. It is what? It is an antioxidant. It is an antioxidant. Then we have other functions or other benefits. This My Choco is good for brain development for children. So if you have children, get them My Choco. They're going to be very sharp. It gives children strong immunity. As the children are growing, you cannot know, they might not be able to talk, but if you give them this My Choco, it is going to give them strong immunity so that they don't get various diseases as they are growing. It gives children strong appetite. So if you want, children to have strong appetite, then you need to give them My Choco. On top of that, it lowers the risk of heart attack by 50%. So it means this My Choco is not only used by young people, but rather by children, but anyone can use it. It lowers blood pressure. It prevents platelet clamping, because platelet clamping can lead to, stroke or high blood pressure. It has anti-inflammatory effect. It improves arterial blood flow. It enhances the action of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which helps to regulate mood and sleep. And it is good for cardioprotection, meaning it protects the heart, and it is good for memory enhancement. If you are so forgetful, this is one of the best products that you should make sure that you should use. And as we wind up, we also have another product which is called Restore Life. Now, the good news is that this Restore Life, it also has, it is a perfect combination with complete Fight Energizer in it. And now, this Restore Life, it has a lot of anti-aging in it. It is Restore Life formulates longevity, a comprehensive, unique, standardized resveratrol blend of powerful longevity polyphenols. It has Japanese knotweed in it, premium red wine extract, grape seed extract, concentrated red wine extract. All these, they are ingredients that are going to give you a lot of anti-aging. And this product is very powerful. It has featured, in different, featured medical ingredients in USA television shows, magazines, and newspapers. You see, it has featured, on these powerful, US media houses. And this product also, this is Dr. David from Harvard University says, this is undoubtedly the biggest medical discovery since antibiotics. And what mainly this product does, it reverses diseases associated with aging, for example, like cancer, like diabetes, like hypertension, like arthritis, among others. On top of that, Restore Life, it is very good. It works, it prevents heart diseases because it reduces inflammation, it prevents oxidative, of LDL or bad cholesterol, and that is decreased incidence of heart attack. It prevents cancer because it limits the spread of cancer cells, and it triggers the process of cancer cell death, which is called apoptosis. And we also have, it also protects you from, it protects your nerve cells from damage. It also prevents insulin resistance, which is the precursor of diabetes, hence protecting you from diabetes. And it also reverses the aging process. What a wonderful product. That is Restore Life. And also it regulates fatty acid, catabolism. Did you know that in previous study led by Professor Karen Brown at the University of Leicester, the team found that purified resveratrol can inhibit the growth of cancer cells even at low doses. And guess what? Now, this product, Restore Life, it has a lot of resveratrol in it. It has a lot of resveratrol in it. As you can see, it has a lot of resveratrol in it. And they are saying that did you know that this resveratrol inhibits the growth of cancer cells even at low doses? And again, cardiovascular disease, the world's number one killer. Most of the people are dying because of stroke, because of BP. Cardiovascular diseases are a group of disorders of the heart attack and blood vessels, commonly referred to as heart disease and stroke. Can you imagine that 18.6 million deaths every year, is from cardiovascular, diseases? See, that is 18.6, 33% of all global deaths, and also 75% of CV deaths take place in low and middle income countries. So if you can see, most of the people, most of our relatives are dying because of heart diseases. And guess what? The products you've seen, they can assist you on that. But I want to introduce to you one of the powerful product that is very good, for cardiovascular diseases, and that product is called Corejuice. Now, Corejuice, it contains premium and high potent source, or it acts as the high potent source of fish oils, and it is molecularly distilled. This, Corejuice, it has no chemical solvents, it has no sugars, starch, artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives added. It is PCB and mercury free. It greatly reduces bad cholesterol, and it helps to reduce blood pressure. It lowers the risk of coronary heart disease and its complication. So all the diseases related to the heart, heart attack, cardiac arrest, high blood pressure or BP or hypertension or low blood pressure, this is the best product for all those issues. It supports healthy eye and brain functioning. And as you can see, it has all these, on top of those, it has all these ingredients. It has fish oils, it has omega-3 fatty acids, it has DHA, which is docosahexaenoic acid, which is a memory booster. It has the EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, which makes sure that you're going to have a healthy eye. Vitamin E, So this is a powerful product that is going to protect your heart, that is going to protect your eyes from different healthy challenges. So on top of that, on top of the heart attack, you can see it also works on other healthy challenges. To sum it up, it reduces the risk of heart disease, it improves eye health, it improves bone and joint health, it reduces mental disorders, it fights inflammation, it fights depression and anxiety, it helps prevent cancer, it alleviates menstrual pain, it's good for your skin, and it also promotes child health during pregnancy and early life, and it improves sleep. That's our Corejuice. Then if you are here and maybe you want to reduce weight, this is one of the best products that you can use, and that is called Burn Slim. This Burn Slim, it has all these ingredients: Cassinia cambogia extract, green tea leaf extract powder. It has the dried yeast, white kidney bean extract, seaweed, calcium powder. It has conjugated linoleic acid. It has carnitine. All these are the ingredients of Burn Slim. But mainly, why we need Burn Slim is that it is very good, for reducing weight. If you want to reduce weight, this is the best product for you. If you want to have a waistline for the ladies, this is the best product, because it is going to suppress your appetite, and it's going to burn all the fat within your body. Then if you are here, you are a lady, I want you to go to the chat section. If you are here and you are a lady, go to the chat section and type the word angel. Go to the chat section and type the word angel. This is a powerful product for the ladies. It is 100% natural. It has natural ingredients. It is made in South Korea. It has been manufactured by publicly listed company in South Korea Stock Exchange. Ingredients within this product have been proven with human clinical studies. Ingredients are from Japan and South Korea. It is 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C, and it is 54 times powerful than beta carotene, and it is 12 times more powerful than vitamin E. Now, this product, it has mega anti-aging properties, and in fact, it is for ladies 20 years and above. So if you want to keep looking younger, stronger, Angel E is the answer. It is good for skin lightening. On top of that, it increases collagen peptides. It diminishes scars and blemishes. It supports dermal moisture and elasticity. It helps prevent dysmorphia. It supports healthy menstrual cycle. So if you are here, young ladies, your menses, they are not predictable. They come this day, another day they come this day. In other words, you have hormonal disorder, or hormonal imbalance. This is the best product to use. Then if you are here and you are over 40 years, for the ladies, and you are having, the menopausal issues, this product relieves pre, peri, and post-menopause syndromes. Pre means those challenges, those issues you get before you get into the menopause period. Then during the menopause period, there are also other issues that you get. And then post, there are also other issues that you get after, menopause period. So this product is going to help you to go through the menopause period, without issues, because it can even, I've seen people during that time, they can even develop high blood pressure. This product will normalize everything. So you need Angel E. Is one of the powerful product that you need. As you can see, if you want to have a clear, spotless skin product, ladies, this is the best product. And we also have another powerful product called Care Leaf. This Care Leaf is going to help you. It is, as you can see, first thermal relief patch in the world to utilize nanodiamond technology. It is all natural, non-addictive, breakthrough product. And it utilizes nano diamonds, as you can see. Unique optical, mechanical, and thermal properties are well absorbed by human skin. They cause more of the ingredients to penetrate the deeper layers of the skin. Nano, it magnifies the intensity of the thermal patch. As you can see, all these are ingredients of this product. For example, it has grapeseed oil. This gets in contact with the skin. It opens up the pores, allowing active ingredients. In other words, it alleviates inflammation. This grapeseed oil, which is in this product, Care Leaf. And also, we have germanium, which is also a mineral in this product, and it acts as natural heat reflector. It is a therapeutic agent. It has anti-tumor. Anti-tumor, that means it prevents anti-tumor from growing in your body, hence protecting you from cancer. It has also turmeric in it, and this turmeric, it is an active ingredient. It has anti-inflammatory properties, very powerful antioxidant. In China and India, it is a big medicine. It has been utilizing this healing property. Then we have also St. John's wort, which is also a very good ingredient in this product. And more ingredients, just as you can see, we have this one, capsaicin, which is derived from red chili peppers. It's a natural source of endorphin, and it relieves stress and pain. All these ingredients are in what? They're in Care Leaf. Silver iron, it has healing properties, are known for its ability to kill bacteria and viruses. As you can see, very many ingredients, and this product here, this product here, as I've showed you, all these ingredients, and these are what they do. We have another product as I wind up. It is called C-Supreme. This is an exclusive natural herbal formulation. It has, a lot of vitamin C in it, citrus by flavonoids complex, lipid metabolites, and this is a powerful product. This C-Sprim, it is 12 more antioxidant delivery compared to other forms of vitamin C, such as plain ascorbic acid or sodium ascorbate. So they are saying that this C-Sprim, it is 12 more antioxidant delivery. It means it has antioxidants, and it can deliver them within the body more than any other form of vitamin C. This another fact is that C-Sprim has 233% high retention of vitamin C in the human body than any other form of vitamin C, such as plain ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate, calcium ascorbate, and the rest. And again, factor 3 is that this C-Sprim is 300% more efficient in promoting fibroblast and collagen healing compared to all other forms of vitamin C. So as you can see, this C-Sprim is very powerful. And C-Sprim, fact number 4, has 64% higher reduction on plasma levels of C-reactive proteins. And fact 5, C-Sprim is 250 more efficient in protecting the immune system from toxin. And the C-Sprim has 83% more reduction of oxidized, LDL, that is cholesterol. So as you can see, this is a very powerful product. Again, C-Sprim, factor number 7, has 11% more free radical scavenging activities using OLAC and DPPH method. In other words, it can remove, free radicals from the body more than any other, form of vitamin C. Then we have also technological products. For example, this one. This is a energy bracelet. This one, you can wear it on your, on your hand, on your arm. It is a very powerful. Just as you can see, this is how you wear it, and you need to get one. What does it do? This energy bracelet, they say maximize your energy with energy bracelets. What does this bracelet, what does it do? It helps in protecting you against electromagnetic frequency radiations. These radiations, they affect your DNA, and you end up getting different forms of cancer. So this product, it is going to protect you. It supports in strengthening the immune system. And if your immune system is strong, it means the entire body, you will not get issues. It encourages cell renewal. It enhances stamina, endurance, and strength. It assists in boosting performance. It helps to restore body's balance. It stimulates healthy aging. It advances natural healing process. It helps to reduce inflammation. It maintains focus and concentration. It aids in alleviating physical stress such as stiffness, cramps, and discomfort. It promotes better blood saturation. Okay, as we wind up, we also have this one. This one is called Energy Diffuser. This Energy Diffuser, they are telling you that radiation is a silent killer. These are harmful, effects of radiation. It causes harm to your child, speech delay, attention deficits, learning problems, sleep problems, anxiety, and childhood depression. So these, like right now, we cannot take away, these gadgets from our children. Some of you know that your child who is 8 years, 10 years, they are having tablets, or they're having computers, or they're having phones where they're always playing games. And guess what? Well, sometimes some of them, they are using phones, as you can see. Radiations, they are very, very dangerous to our brain. These radiations, they also cause headache and muscle pain. They increase the cancer rate. They damage the blood brain barriers. So protect your loved ones from the danger of gadgets radiations. So all the phones that we have, all our computers, all the electronics that we have, all of them, most of them, they produce radiations. And these radiations, even the television that you have at home, it produces radiation. The remotes, those ones are using infrared radiations. So at the end of the day, these radiations, they have the effect on our what? On our body, just as you can see. But this energy, you can put it on those gadgets. For example, you can put it on your phone. As you can see right here, you can put it on your phone, you can put it on your computer. And what does it do for all electronic devices like cell phones, tablets, laptops, desktops? You need to have this energy diffuser. It lowers down the impact of harmful electromagnetic radiations. So energy has clinical studies. Energy infusion from Vital, it is from the company that makes this product is all the way from US. So you can see, you can put this energy diffuser on different gadgets that you have, and hence protecting yourself or blocking the effect of electromagnetic radiations from reaching your brain, protecting your loved ones from all these diseases. So as I wind up, let me just take you through a brief dosage for some of the products. But if you want to get these products, you'll be guided on how you can be able to get, on how you can be able to take them. So here we have weeks. A week we have also the products. So for example, first week you can take C24/7. We have C24/7, we have Complete, and we have Restore Life. And you can see we have 3 parts. We have first, third week, then we also have again first, second, third week, and then we also have the last one, third, second, third week. But we are going to combine all of them. So first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week, like that. So for example, when you get our products, you don't start taking, you start small. For example, you start with 100. So that means that 100 means that you are taking 1 in the morning. A second week you go to 101. So that means you take 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Third week you take 1, 1, 1. So that is if you are normal or you have a kidney disease. So you should take a maximum of 1, 1, 1. That is if you are normal or you have a kidney disease and you are taking C24/7 or Complete. Then we also have Restore Life. Restore Life, you can also take 100. Then from there, you go to the second week, you take 101. If the issue that you are working on doesn't, disappear, the maximum is 111. That is if you are maybe having like cancer, or you are having a very serious issue. But the main dosage is always 101. But if you have a serious, critical issue, you can go up to the maximum of 111. That is restore life. Then, if you have other diseases, you continue with the dosage. That should be the first week, that red category, you go to 211, 212, 222. So that means if you have diabetes, you have BP, you have all arthritis, you have gout, you can go up to 222. But if you have cancer, you can keep increasing your dosage until when you reach 333. So note 30 minutes before the meal or 2 hours after the meal. So you should take C24/7, you should take complete, you should take restore life 30 minutes before a meal or 2 hours after the meal. And again, special precautions, resveratrol. So the products with anti-aging like Restore Life and C24/7, we don't give them to pregnant women. We don't give to breastfeeding mothers. We don't give to patients or people who are taking blood thinning medicines like aspirin, heparin, among others. And also, people who are having cancer of the female reproductive system, because, or those who have phytoestrogenic effect in their body, or if you have any breeding, you are not supposed to take any product with anti-aging. Then, if you know you are pregnant or you are breastfeeding, the best product to use is Complete and Coledus. Then cardiovascular diseases. If someone has pressure, for example, but they are taking blood thinning medicine like maybe they're taking blood thinning medicine like aspirin, the best product to use is Coledus and Complete. But without blood thinning medicine, if you're not taking aspirin or heparin, you're not taking blood thinning medicine, then you can take C24/7 Restore Life and Coledus. And again, that is Coledus. So now, if you can go for a checkup on cholesterol, on blood cholesterol, as you see, if they find that 150 milligrams, you take up to 100, that is first week, you keep taking like that. But if it is 200 milligrams, you can go up to 101. But if you have 250 milligrams, you can take 111. But because we don't normally, most of the people, they don't measure the blood cholesterol, so you can stop on 101. Note, you need to take this Coledus during the meals. So health is not a goal, it is a way of living. I want to encourage you this morning, or not this morning, this evening, and say that health is not a goal, it is a way of living. Without your health, the rest doesn't matter. This evening, I've shared with you how you can live healthy using our high quality nutritional supplements. I want to wind up from here and say, God bless you. Thank you so much for listening to me. I believe we have learned something from this session. So if you are here and maybe you have if you are here and maybe you have a question, you're going to get back to the person who invited you. They're going to assist you to address those questions. So God bless you and enjoy the rest of the rest of the night. Bye bye.